Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers, man? Today, September the 9th, 2021. I'm going to give you two stocks, right, that I am seeing on a chart that I am expecting to go up. Yes, I'm going to give you all two stocks today that no one is talking about that has the prospect of going higher in price. And I'm going to show you in a way that's not going to be hard and confusing. While everyone else, they're going to click through a lot of tabs on the internet. They're going to hit 15 articles to try to convince you why these particular stocks are buys. For us, you only need to look at the chart to see what the money is doing. Once you understand what the money is doing, you can actually participate right alongside with them and win. So buckle in. If today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, make sure you tap in, hit the like button, share it, also subscribe. We're not here to pump. We're not here to FUD. We're not here to FOMO any stocks. That's not us. We don't care where the market price is going to go because we can eat wherever the price direction is headed. So if you guys want to see that, if you want to learn more, if you want to do it for yourself, like I said, tap in because we do this. All right, so check this out. These are the two stocks that we're going to talk about that we are looking for the market to go up, right? So let's see why we are looking for these prices to go up. The first one is ADI Life Sciences, right? Off the bat, you already know the price is going up right now. So why would you expect the price to go down in this particular market? Take a look. Do you see a lot of people talking about ADI? No, you don't. So this one is flying under the radar. Nobody on YouTube is even talking about this stock. Nobody. We have such a small amount of price history as well too. It's relatively new. It started trading back in June of 2021. ADI. Now let's check this out, okay? Because we first can see that this particular market in ADI is doing what? Exactly. We're in an uptrend. So the question is, can we eat off this move? Can we eat off this price in ADI of going higher? We sure can. So now pretty much we just really need to see, okay, yes, we're in uptrend. Yes, the market in ADI is giving us some support right there around $17, $16.90. Those two areas are important off the rip. I'm being real with you. In order for this price in ADI to go up, it needs to hold this ascending line and we need to hold support. I would say $16.50, either or. Those two things need to maintain itself. Okay, now let's check this out on a 3-hour time frame, okay? Because I pretty much want to see where can we get hit with some selling. Like at what point would you think the market would get wall up and price come back down? At what point? I'm seeing right there around $18.65, maybe 19. We can see the market start to get hit with some selling, right? So looking at this from a percentage basis, that's about 6.5%. Can you eat off 6.5%? Do you think that's decent? Because from $19, the next area that we can see the price in ADI get rejected and hit some selling will be around almost $19.90, $20, give or take. Now, obviously, for us to hit that $20 price, this upward trend will be broken. All right. So that's why I wanted to give you that $16 area of support to allow the market to give us this in the long term, for us to break this ascending line and then see the market come up there, right? We can definitely see that in the long term occur in ADI. But for the most part, this looks decent. I like it. This is the 2-day time frame in ADI right here. It's another reason why I like it. So what we're going to do, we're going to TP out the market first in ADI right there around $19. That gives around 6%. That's pretty decent. And then I'm going to take it up here towards 20. I don't want to take it to $20.50. I'm just going to take it down to 20. And that gives us around 12, almost 12.25% profitability into the market in ADI right there. Simple, right? Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Now let me show you this other one. Okay, This is the second one that I'm looking for the market price to go up. Bring this over. Make sure we track this on the daily time frame. The next one is the ticker symbol is OVV. Okay. The name is Oventive Incorporated. Now look at this one. Okay. So you guys can already tell, for the most part, Oventive has already seen a pretty good substantial upward move, right? We've seen the price in Oventive go from $2.24 all the way up there to 28, taking us all the way to March of 2020, right? We've been in this upward trend, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the market here in Oventive, right? So this is the overall trend right now in Oventive, right here. Okay, so just like with ADI, Oventive is also in an upward trend. We have better places in Oventive that we can actually see support too. This is the biggest area of support that I am seeing into the market in Oventive that will continue to show us that the price ability of appreciation is still on the table. Right now, we're all the way up there around 28, but $19.89 is a firm area of support, and this is the next one. Okay, right here, because you can see how many times the market price in Oventive came and got rejected. You see that? And it held support. So this is the strongest current closest area to where price is that Oventive needs to keep itself above. Okay, it's like $24.75. All right, so I'm going to remove it, but I want you all to keep that in mind. Okay, $24.75 is support in Oventive. Now we got that established. That's support. Where is restriction then? Well, we've already seen it up here. So we've even came up here back in 2019 around $32, $33. Cool. Now let's check this out. Since we got so much price history, we can actually see Oventive on the further out time frame. And this is the 5-day price chart right here in Oventive, and there is still strength being harnessed into the market. My only qualm that I see on this price chart is this area right here. This is the closest area, $28, that is impacting the price movement in Oventive of going up. Now, I'm still seeing the market has the ability to come up towards $32 to even $36, okay? So now check this out. Let me go ahead and run the play. I want to see how much profitability we can have into the market in Oventive to hit what, 28, which is around 13.93%, to around 36. That's about 26.25 or 26.5% right there. That's pretty decent. I like that. And I'm going to bring the support area, like I told you, to around $20. Okay. I definitely see the market trying to hold support around 24 though. Okay. So this is our expectations of the market price in Oventive as a stock to buy, right? So now, do you need to come in and buy it now? That's the question that you have to answer, right? Because what I'm seeing in this particular market right now is that the market is becoming stagnated, and we're finding that rejection around 28. You guys remember that? So we can see the initial stages of this price in Oventive to go down. I just want to prepare you all for that too, because I can see some of this weakness coming to the market right now in Oventive. But generally, from a long-term perspective, yes, this market is still giving us some strength, and given where price is today, we can expect it to try to hit 32 first and then 36 next. Okay. So that's it. These are the two stocks right here that we're looking for the price to go up on. Okay, we have ADI, Life Sciences, and Oventive right here. Now I want to know, are you seeing some other stocks that you think has the prospect to go up? If so, Let me know. Drop me a comment in the comment section. I'll look at the chart real quick and see whether or not that's actually a good bet, a good play, or should you stay away. Let me know what you all see on the chart. What do you think about these two stocks right here, ADI and Oventive? Do you think that the market price has strength, or do you see weakness? It's simple. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different and move this over. All right, there we go. I'm done. I'm out. You guys can see what it is. This is our expectations going forward for Oventive. I'll see you all on the next one.